What's up guys, it's Shapes here back from the video, and today we're unboxing more shoes. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing an unboxing on some UGGs for men. And please excuse my absence from YouTube. It's been a pretty difficult 2 months of high school. But anyways, back to the video. We got some UGGs for men, doing an unboxing, let's get to it. Alright guys, first off I gotta tell you guys what these are called. These are called UGG Neumel? Wait. Alright guys, let's actually get into this unboxing. Lid off. Here's in some black paper. Alright, here they are. Some plastic, some paper, card thing. And here are the shoes. Alright guys, here they are, the UGG Neumel boot. I picked these up at Journeys for $130.00, and they were $143 and something cents after shipping and tax. I picked these up in the wheat colorway. Oh, sorry, it's called the chestnut colorway, which is sort of like the wheat colorway, like classic Timberland colorway, or like that fall/winter vibe, that type of colorway, if you know what I'm talking about. And the upper is made of a sheep, or I think it's a sheep or a lambskin suede. It's pretty buttery, especially on this back part, this heel panel. It's like super buttery, like easy butter. And the inside lining is if I can focus, it's like a white, off-white Virgil Abloh. It's like wool. It's like lined wool to keep your feet warm, which is pretty much the reason why I bought these, because it's hella cold outside. And I need something to keep my feet warm. So yeah, these are pretty nice pickup. It's not like you know, it's like kind of like a slipper. If you look at the bottom, it's not super grippy. I think you can wear these as slippers. Yeah, like they're pretty much slippers. You can wear them as slippers, or you can wear them as like normal shoes to wear outside or in public and stuff like that. So yeah, these are the inside. It comes with like cardboard shoe tree to keep the shape all nice and fresh, like Subway fresh. And yeah, I'm now on top of the bunk bed, cause I got kicked out of the living room, so man's got to film up on top of the bunk bed. Hopefully nobody finds out I'm up here. So yeah, this was the unboxing part of the video, so let's get to the on feet one.